World's strongest engine. No way has electric. Suicide is bad. When all of your motorized merchandise is electric. An unusual view of Sir Nigel Grella at the 2011 Autumn Steam Gala. Day of the Diesels be like. The Thomas fandom, eager shit, it's so unrealistic and cartoonish. Meanwhile our entire childhood. When people make jokes about Trevor liking children. When you realize Trevor is owned by a priest. I'm pulling a train full of all the women who would sleep with you. Can't you see? Where are your coaches then? Dad, I'm off to get the milk. What he's really getting. The True Sacrifice. Thomas and Friends season 25 be like, you are the father. Bro, what the frick? Twobby. Where do trains buy their online games? On Steam. Execute Order 66. Boom the fat controller. Die. Crashing is my passion. No milk. Get bitches. Parents, go play with the neighbor's kid. The neighbor's kid. What do you call an engine with a cold? A choo-choo train. Dies of cringe. 28 nitrogen, nickel. 68 era, erbium. When there's a new engine, the council will decide your fate. Okay, so what kind of car will you be hauling with our trailer today? Put it down as a 1998 Honda Civic. Person, makeup makes me look pretty. The person. Moments taken before disaster. When you finally feel like you have a connection with someone and they ghost you mid-phone call. First degree murder. Guards. Breakdowns are for stopping runaways. Also guards. Jump at runaway. Oliver. I'm being roasted. When you ask your crush out and instead of saying no she vomits. That could have been a little smoother. There are two ways of doing things. The Great Western Way or get shot. The image that symbolizes how it treated the narrow gauge characters. Engine plows head on into another train in the station at Mach 5 killing everyone on board. Sir Topham Hatt, now the official report will say luckily no one was hurt. Got it. Dat. Mighty Meth. Educating Gordon Day. Pull the milk tanker. Or, draw 25. If there's something strange in your construction yard, who you gonna call? Ghostbuster. Ebay. No peace. Thomas seems a bit woof. S4 Scarloi. I broke a spring, but got my train home anyway. S12 Scarloi. But I wanna pull dap up at Show Twain. The Walking Dead. No consistent gender. What dads think will happen if their child turns on the light in the back. The fat controller is obsessed with food jokes. Thomas fandom. Actually original jokes. British Railways throws engine in scrapyard. Sir Topham Hatt, help is on the way dear. The Revenge of Murdoch. Charlie. RWS fans. Billy. The Magic Lamp. Or hell nah, why Mr. Perk got the drip. Grand Theft Auto, Soda. Breakfasts for the engines prepared by the Fat Controller. Steam engines. Diesels. You are a little late, sir. Yeah, well, we had a flat. Toad House. Tender engines don't shunt. Edward was the imposter. High above the island of Soda, an overloaded helicopter plummets towards the ground. The accident reveals critical safety flaws embedded in Soda's mail industry. Mayday, air disaster. Come with me, and you will be in a world of OSHA violations. It has been 000 days since I have bitten anyone. Top Hat, Maverick. Thomas. Tunish. Nobody. The 45-year-old posting the Thomas BTS pics RN. Friend, how's life? Me, everything is on track. The track. You shall not pass. Green caterpillar. Green whale. Annoying green parrot who won't shut up about the Great Western. Maman. When your girlfriend finds your Reddit account full of nothing but Thomas the Tank Engine memes, and now you no longer have a girlfriend. Turned into a troublesome truck I have. Caused confusion and delay, I must. Cute laughs my girl falls for. Road safety laws prepare to be ignored. When the cricket players lose his Stepney to be like, all we had to do was follow the damn train, Caroline. Sir Topham Hatt, when he finds out how much restoring every single scrap engine costs. I'm never gonna financially recover from this. Corporate needs you to find the difference between this picture and this picture. They are the same picture. I bet he's thinking about other women. If Rusty's ghost story is fake, how did the fireflies move into the shape of an engine? Thomas. Okay, seriously, 2021 is gonna be good. No more antics, got it? Sir Topham Hatt, got it. Sir Robert Norramby. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Is that you? Yeah, but that's an old photo. Find a really awesome lot of rare Thomas much for a great price. Post about it publicly on twitter.com. Someone else sees my post and immediately buys it. Someone else sees my post and immediately buys it. Trade offer. I receive you doing my work. You receive flirting. When you go out into public and actually see people. If it's called Culdy foul, did Culdy fall instead? Deep. Isn't it sad when you look at the last time a character appeared? Every time Sir Topham Hatt hires a new employee, oh boy, I sure am excited to work on the railroad. I'm sure this will be an amazing job. 5 minutes later. Ah, is that? That's right, it's Flex Seal Diesel, and if I throw this in your tank, it will seal you up for good. The Scottish way. Baby on board. Sir Handel and Peter Sam barely bump into each other. Duke, this would never suit his grade. If you ever feel like you contributed nothing to society. Dartboard. Dartboard. They don't know I'm the only board gauge character. Teacher, you can't hear picture me. I'm sorry Toby, but you have caused confusion and delay for the last time. Peacefully watching YouTube. 15-second unskippable ad. Hey dude, why do you always wear that mask? Sir Handel the Candle. Sir Candle. Oh great heavens. Sir Top Ham Hot has turned into a chat. If you ever feel like you contributed nothing to society. Thomas and the Second Amendment. Thanks for watching. Make sure to send your memes through Twitter or Discord.